Looking to get the most out of your credit card? In today's video, we're diving into the best credit cards for rewards and cashback. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a savvy shopper, or just looking to maximize your everyday purchases, the right credit card can offer incredible perks and savings. We'll explore top options that provide the best rewards, from travel miles to cashback, and help you find the perfect card to suit your lifestyle. Stick around to discover how you can turn your spending into valuable rewards. Let's get into it. Number 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is a top choice for those who love to earn rewards while enjoying travel benefits. This card offers 2x points on travel and dining at restaurants, and 1x point on all other purchases. Additionally, new cardholders can earn a substantial sign-up bonus, typically around 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which is worth $750 when redeemed through the Chase Ultimate Rewards program. The points are highly versatile, as they can be transferred to several airline and hotel loyalty programs, giving you flexibility in how you use your rewards. With a reasonable annual fee of $95, this card is ideal for those who frequently travel or dine out and want to maximize their rewards. Number 2. Citi Double Cash Card. The Citi Double Cash Card is perfect for those seeking a straightforward and generous cashback program. It offers an impressive 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you make a purchase, and an additional 1% when you pay it off. This no annual fee card is excellent for those who prefer simplicity and value in their rewards. There are no categories to track or limits on how much cash back you can earn, making it an ideal option for everyday spending. The Citi Double Cash Card also provides a balance transfer offer with a low introductory APR, making it a great tool for consolidating debt while earning rewards on future purchases. Number 3. American Express Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card is designed for food lovers and frequent travelers, offering substantial rewards in these categories. Cardholders earn 4x membership rewards points at restaurants, including takeout and delivery, and 4x points at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 per year in purchases, then 1x. Additionally, you earn 3x points on flights booked directly with airlines or through mxtravel.com, and 1x on all other purchases. The Gold Card also comes with valuable perks like an annual dining credit of up to $120 and an airline fee credit of up to $100, which helps offset the $250 annual fee. If you frequently spend on dining and groceries, this card can provide exceptional value through its rewards program. Number 4. Discover It Cashback. The Discover It Cashback card is a fantastic option for those who want to maximize their rewards on everyday purchases. This card offers 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories such as grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and more, up to a quarterly maximum, which typically is $1,500 in purchases when you activate the category. All other purchases earn an unlimited 1% cash back. What sets this card apart is the unique Cashback Match'em feature, where Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year, effectively doubling your rewards. There's no annual fee, making it an excellent choice for those looking to earn significant cash back without worrying about additional costs. This card is ideal for disciplined spenders who can take advantage of the rotating categories to maximize their cash back. Number 5. Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card is perfect for frequent travelers who want straightforward and flexible rewards. This card offers an unlimited 2x miles per dollar on every purchase, making it easy to accumulate rewards quickly. Additionally, you'll receive a one-time bonus of 75,000 miles when you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening, which can be redeemed for $750 in travel expenses. The card also offers up to a $100 credit for global entry or TSA pre-check, adding further value for travelers. While the card does have a $95 annual fee, the rewards and travel perks can easily outweigh this cost if you use the card regularly, especially for travel-related expenses. Number 6. Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express. The Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express is a top choice for those who spend heavily on groceries and streaming services. This card offers an impressive 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%, and 6% cash back on select U.S. streaming subscriptions. Additionally, you'll earn 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations and on transit, including taxes, rideshare, parking, tolls, trains, buses, and more, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. The card currently offers a welcome bonus of $250 after you spend $3,000 in purchases within the first 6 months. While it does have a $95 annual fee, the high cash back rates on everyday purchases can easily make up for the cost, especially if you're a frequent shopper at U.S. supermarkets and use popular streaming services. Number 7. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is an excellent choice for those looking to maximize their cash back rewards without the hassle of tracking categories. This card offers a straightforward and unlimited 2% cash back on all purchases, making it ideal for everyday spending. There are no rotating categories or spending caps to worry about, so you can earn consistently regardless of how you use the card. Additionally, new cardholders can take advantage of a $200 cash rewards bonus after spending $500 in purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. With no annual fee, this card provides a simple and effective way to earn cash back on every purchase you make. Number 8. Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card is perfect for those who want flexibility in earning rewards tailored to their spending habits. This card offers 3% cash back in a category of your choice, such as gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement/furnishings, along with 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and 1% on all other purchases. The 3% and 2% categories apply to the first $2,500 in combined purchases each quarter. New cardholders can earn a $200 online cash rewards bonus after making at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of account opening. With no annual fee, the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card is a versatile option that allows you to optimize your cash back based on your spending patterns. These are our top picks for the best credit cards for rewards and cash back in 2024. Each card offers unique benefits, so consider your spending habits and what type of rewards matter most to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on maximizing your finances. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.